Howdy, howdy. Well, folks, they finally got me a remote, but of course there's bugs. It ain't. I got it working, but it's not right. It's not right. All right, so it should go up. Oh, that's right, we're in the jog cycle, my bad. We're jogging the bundle, rocking the bundle. That's what a lot of people call it, rocking the bundle. I've seen remotes that say rock. I've seen remotes that say jog. All right, now, it should go up and it should pause. It did the pause. Now, these two handles should kick out. Where he controls them, they should kick out. And then the motor should idle down. But it's not. It's not. What are we doing? 20 seconds, 21, 22, 23 seconds. I'm counting 1 minute. 10 seconds. It should have already kicked out. It should have kicked out. Now he's got to walk over there and hit the buttons. Now, I remember the crew that had that loader. Oh, come on, puppy dog. I remember the crew that had it. One time, one of the loader operator, he was out, and I went over there and I was on his loader, and this crusher. And his ground guy was saying, "Hey, cowboy, look, man, in the mornings this thing don't act right. So you gotta, work the remote." He said, "But an hour or so, it'll figure itself out." But we've been fooling around with it, and it's just not doing it. Look at that. What does it say on it? Bio blood. It's a pretty compacted Equinox. I want to get a better bite on it. Dang it. What if I spin it around the other way? Try carrying it that way. If I go through the windows, there's a chance I'm not tall enough to clear, or it won't raise up high enough to clear that concertina wire over there. So if I go into the bottom of the car, well, it's not 3 or 4 feet hanging down when the forks are at their highest limit. I wonder if the people next door want to crush. I see their crush pile, but usually that's like a third or an eighth of normally what they pile up. But the price is pretty decent. I think it's $200 a ton. All right, we're looking for dogs, part pullers, anything in the road that could bust a tire, customers. There's the dog. There's the 2 part pullers. What? Did y'all even see that dog? He ain't got a concerned one. That's awesome. Don't want to sit up there right because it's red. Dang, that was awful. That car slid into place, and I don't like that. Sorry, y'all didn't see it, but that car slid into place, and that's not. You don't want that. You want to set a car down and it's still. I'm telling you, right there, a lot of things can go wrong real fast. Hey. Lots of people crush a Hummer. Does it count? It's an H2. It's all burned up. I mean, does it still count? Can I put... That might get some... Folks, if you're trying to get a channel going, or even if you have a channel, you know what's up. Thumbnail and the title of your video. Once you figure all that out, which I haven't, and look here, when I was up in there in Derby talking to them other YouTubers, I'm like, what's the secret? What's the secret to the algorithm? And they're like, man, you tell me, Bubba, that secret's worth $1 million. Knowing the secret to the algorithm, you can build a house. An awesome house. Woo! Oh, slapping Yatchet! Dang, Bubba. Can you get it off? Can you get the wheel off? The Yantez no taco mount. You want me to move the aluminum? Or you want me to move the door? Can you get the wheel off? It's all broken? Let's try to get it off. No. Hey, the taco mile's no caddy. Taco mile's no caddy. Chicharrones. All right, let's see how she does again. I've pushed the button one time. That's it. Y'all don't give me a hard time in the comment section about, look, now the crusher's going all on its own. It shouldn't have done that. Now it's going all on its own. Y'all don't be giving me a hard time about these. When they're wrecked really like this, they don't crush right. Y'all don't be giving me a hard time. It should go up and stop. And there it went all again on its own. Stop. Retract. Stop. 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 Watch, I'll show you. Tell you I'm doing it. Stop. 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 Retract. Stop. Retract. Alright, it should go up and stop. Again. Now I hit it twice to stop and retract. Nothing happened. Stop, retract. Stop. Stop, retract. Oh, it ain't easy being easy. gonna try jogging or rocking the bundle this time, and just see if something does different. Who knows? I'm telling you, I got. It was probably a year ago. I was with this crusher. They had the remote, like I was saying, and I remember it. Hang on, I'm gonna try one more time with the remote. And I remember it, the ground guy was like, "Look, dude, you gotta." God dang! The wind done blew my hat off my head. Oh, I need a haircut. That's a sure sign I need a haircut. How about my hat's tight? It takes a 30-mile-an-hour gust to blow my hat off, or more. I ain't one of them dudes you're gonna see chasing his hat across a Walmart parking lot. That ain't gonna happen. All right, I'm gonna hit crush jog. Let's go. Let's see what happens. All right, it stopped. It did stop like it's supposed to, but those two handles aren't kicking out. Where are we at right now? 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. There's 10 seconds. Ain't nothing happening. Ain't nothing happening. They should have done kicked off, idled down, went into chill status. Hey! We'll just go back to... Oh, look at that mirror down there at the bottom. Well, how are you, handsome? What's going on, Bubba? What's happening? That's awesome. I can move that mirror and see how close I shaved this morning. Boy, this thing was hit hard. We need some like good vibe videos. Dang. I did the video on the crash test cars. Kind of neat, but kind of, ultimately, what's up. Now we got this thing, and all these cars have been wrecked. We done seen, Bio Blood 2 or 3 times. Man, we need some different vibes. I don't even know if we're going to fool with that remote. I see, let's try it. I push the button one time, crush flat. should go up and pause. Or stop. And it's going again, all on its own. All on its own. So now I'm going to try to just push stop one time, and it went straight back to crushing again. It just stopped right there. Now I pushed it twice to get it to stop and retract. Anyway, y'all done seen it before. It's like having air conditioning in these loaders. It's all fun and great until you ain't got it, and it goes out on you, and it's like, oh god dang, you know. So why don't you just get a loader with no AC to start with, and then you know you ain't got nothing. You know, when it does go out, you ain't heartbroken, or you know it won't go out because it ain't got one. I'm just saying, you're already used to it, you know. Just we're used to not crushing remote. Now we got one, and the cowboy's frustrated. I'm gonna move this just a little bit, make sure I come through that gate just fine. Alright, we're looking for dogs, we're looking for part pullers, we're looking for customers. Keep your eyes wide open. He was asking me if I could get it all on the load. It ain't gonna happen. It ain't gonna happen. Ain't no biggie. It ain't like this is the last time these guys are gonna crush. We'll just get them on the next load, next time. Ain't no biggie. Well, that burn stuff sounds different, don't it? It sounds different, crushes different. Oh, I forgot to push in the back door. You crush it. That dust just flew my eyeballs. Oh, I guess that's why they put air conditioning in loaders. I don't know. You know, we'll get it. We'll get the bugs worked out. I think we're going to keep this crusher. I thought they were going to fix ours, because I got another motor to put on that purple crusher. And I thought they were going to fix it and just give it back to us, or swap the motor out and give it back to us. But I guess we're going to. So Compadre's crushing right now, manually. That's it. We got this place done. Clean up, pack up. They'll probably move us to another spot today. I know that. So we'll see y'all at the next location. Hey folks, thanks for sticking with me last couple of weeks, month or whatever. I ain't been posting much and had some production equipment problems. Went on vacation, but thank you very much for sticking with me. My hat is off to you. Also because the wind blew it off. Thank you.